Your first video and how to share it. Turn on your camera by pressing the button in the center of the front panel. When it beeps, press the button on the side. You should see a blue light flashing. Open your Wi-Fi settings and find the name of your camera. Now that your device and Penguin are talking, you will be seeing what your 360 Penguin sees. You choose the way the image looks. In the bottom left-hand portion of the screen, you will see an icon. Tapping here will change the image from little planet to a normalized view and to a globe view. These are just how you are looking at the image that the camera is taking. In the center of the screen, at the bottom, you will see a word that tells you what recording mode you are in. If you do not see the word video, tap the image to the right of the word. A list will appear in the center of the screen. Select 360 video. You are now set to record 360-degree video with your 360 Penguin. Situate your camera as close to the center of the action as you safely can and press the red record button. That's all you have to do. You're shooting 360 video. Sharing is just as simple. You can upload your video or picture right into Facebook from your image gallery on your device, or you can download the content to your computer and do it there. Want to take a picture instead of shooting a video? All you have to do is tap the movie camera icon to the right of the record button. Under the 360 video is 360 photo. To download and share the image, tap the photo icon to the left of the center button. This will open your image library. From here, you can download the images to your phone using the down arrow. Or share to social media using the share icon. Now you are ready to shoot and share 360 content with your friends and family.